Imagine waking up to sky painted blood orange, the air heavy with smoke, and the sound of sirens drowning out any hope of calm. The Los Angeles wildfire didn't just destroy landscapes, they reshaped lives and left a stinging financial toll in their wake. But how did it all begin? And what is the true cost, both in dollars and in human lives? It all started with an unamusing spark, a small brush fire on the outskirts of Los Angeles country. But California prolonged drought and vegetation. The flames spread like a predator unlashed, fueled by high winds and record-breaking heat. This fire becomes one of the most devastating disasters in U.S. history. Local firefighters, prepared, were no match for the fire storm that quickly consumes over 1,200 structures, including luxury homes in Pacific Palisades and Malibu. Entire neighborhoods vanished with hours, leaving residents in shock and despair. The financial cost. Unprecedented early estimates by JP Morgan projected losses between 135 billion and 150 billion, making this the most expensive wildfire in US history. Of this, insured losses are expected to hit 20 billion, while uninsured damages surpassed 100,000 billions. Businesses shut down, families lost their homes, and California's insurance crisis worst, leave many without any safety net for future disaster. But the numbers don't capture the full picture. Over 10 lives sadly lost, and thousands of residents were forced to flee, some with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Wildfire's habitat were obligated, air quality plummeted, and the mental toll on survivors remains unmeasurable. In the face of destruction, stories of resilience emerge. Communities are relying to rebuild what was lost, but the scars, both emotional and financial, will take years, if not decades, to heal. The LA wildfire reminds us of nature's unforgiving power and the urgent need to address climate change before the next spark ignites another tragedy. What we do to prevent this from happening again? The time to act now.